Okay, this is a video of the infamous ticking sound. I have it in my car and it's kind of unexplained at the moment. It's a 2011 5.0 automatic Steeda cold air intake, SCT tune, 410 gear, and the just the Roush mufflers.